See the video back with another unboxing. This shit came from eBay. Ain't got no box on it or none of that. So let's just get right into it. Alright, so first off, this little card came in and says, "Your order made my day. Hope this package makes yours." From Tuki Sophie, which was the seller. It says thanks on the pack. But getting into the kits, let me unwrap these real quick. Okay, so here we have the Nike Air Force One Lo Mio, the Dominican forces. They're all white. The swoosh changes colors from red to blue. There's 3M on these tabs right here and on the back. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Come with extra laces. It didn't come with the dominoes though, or the special box, obviously. So the inside of the right shoe is red, inside of the left shoe is blue. Bottom of the left shoe has the red Nike swoosh. Bottom of the right shoe says Lo Mio on it. Inside right here says Republica. Inside right here says Dominicana. So there you have it. Just a little quick look, quick unboxing of these Air Force One Dominican Republic joints. Man, these are fire. To me, I'm because I want to show off a little bit of the stream in the dark. Ooh, yep. Dominicana, and it shines. It shines really bright too, even on the inside. So you know, I love this. I'm loving it. Loving every minute of it. Just show off a little bit of this, you know. So anyway, yeah, this is just a little quick look unboxing of these Dominican Republic Air Force Ones. Always thought these looked good. Always thought these were fire. Except, you know, when they were first released on sneakers, I kind of struck out on them. And then, you know, resellers trying to take the head off for these, especially with the special box. But, I mean, I didn't really... The box would have been a nice touch, but... I mean, as long as I got the shoes, that's really all that matters to me. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good one. Peace.